Hey there, I'm Chisa Penix Brown of Lady Business, and we're going to be bringing the Advanced Business Development Series to Alamance Community College Small Business Center. We're going to help you see what you need to do in order to start a legal business in the state of North Carolina, understand the basics of business from a federal, state, and local level. This is going to give you the opportunity to learn key strategies for startup, financing, marketing, and then also important information about legal issues, licensing, zoning, operations, and more. I need you to realize the importance of a self assessment and how to evaluate the feasibility of your business idea. Because a lot of people want to start businesses, but they don't think about how they're really going to make money. And so that's why financing continues to be a challenge for many small business owners. Questions I get are, how do I get the money to start my business? What do I need to do to make this happen? How can I bootstrap my startup and use the funds that I already have in order to either start or grow this business? How's this business actually going to make money? Will it be enough to cover the expenses that I have and still allow me to make a profit? We're going to get to the heart of business financing in this seminar so you can answer those questions for yourself. We're also going to explore the advantages and disadvantages of the different types of funding sources and how to choose the right one for your individual business. Now, in addition to that, I'm also going to help you discover resources that are available to you so that this way you can start and successfully operate your business. And guess what? This seminar is free and open to the public and is sponsored by the Alamance Community College Small Business Center and Real Glow Getters. Now, what I need you to do is tell a friend, and also register for this seminar. Please click the link below, and I'll see you soon.